Welcome to Truth Anchored, where we discuss apologetics, theology, and everyday questions that come up in evangelistic encounters. My name is Brandon Enchant, and I am an intern with Apologetics for the Church. I'm an ordinary Christian with no formal background, but a desire to grow deeper in my faith and to make Christ known to those around me. So I just wanted to welcome all of you to the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is based off of the podcast that I started. It's on Spotify and Apple Podcasts right now, also called Truth Anchored. And I wanted to use this platform as a way to basically workshop my ideas. As I'm an intern, I want to grow deeper in my understanding and my knowledge on different apologetic and theological topics. So as I'm doing that, I find that I learn these things better and they're ingrained a little bit deeper when I actually teach other people. So I learn about it and then I use it in conversations, which is ultimately what we should be doing. That's how we practice our faith. So come along with me. I hope you enjoy the content that I put out. A lot of what I do will probably be based off of gospel conversations that I have with people. Even though I might have an answer in the moment, I will write those questions down and then study them a little bit deeper so I can be a little bit more prepared in the future. If anything I put out blesses you guys, just the best way you can support me is either through prayer or subscribing, following, rating the podcast. All of that would be fantastic. Thank you guys so much. And no matter what trials come our way, let's do our best to stay anchored. God bless, guys. See ya.